consistent basis. So obviously, it's
instead say, I am aware of the laws of the universe. Enlightenment in the moment is. But being enlightened in this, it was meant to be. Because she drags her computer case around like her life depends on it. Well-meaning people offer to take it for her all the time, and she says to them, no, thank you. But what she means is, I don't trust you. Don't ask me to turn over something that matters this much to me. So she's been walking around for a really long time.
pretty windy right now. I just went to the mobile shop, recharging my internet. Now I'm just sitting out here. It's pretty nice, but super windy. Even at the boat was pretty windy this afternoon. But still, beautiful weather. Look at golden fried tofu. Wow, having my nesty and watching Hindustan movie by myself. I'm living a life here. Yeah, so that's all I'm going to do today. I'm going to take it easy and enjoying my food. So this is my fried tofu, and I have two dipping sauce. One is spicy and another one is just a sweet chili with my drink. I'm going to enjoy it. Let's try another one with chili bits. Oh, I put a lot. Ah! Wait. Okay. Oh. And then dip it in the sauce. I like จริงๆ